Stage 1. Setting up the scene and light. In this part, you can just repeat everything after me. You can see all my actions in the lower left corner. If the speed is fast, you can reduce the speed in the video settings. Stage 2. Mushroom body. Delete the cube by clicking X. Clicking Shift plus A and creating a UV sphere, making it bigger. Go to the Modifiers tab and turn on Subdivision Surface. Go into Edit mode and click these two buttons. And we stretch his body as we want. Stage 3. Mushroom cap. Creating another UV sphere. And click Subdivision Surface again. We select the lowest point of it and shove it inside. Stage 4. Arms and legs of the mushroom. We are creating a cube and click CTRL plus 3. We pulling his hand and click CTRL plus R. Right click and shade smooth. And adjust the arm to fit the body. Copy the hand with Shift D. Turn with the help of R. We copy Shift D and make legs out of hands. Stage 5. Spots on the hat. Creating a cube and click CT or L3 again. We select the lower points of the cube. Without forgetting to turn on the X-ray. Right click and shade smooth. Turn on the magnet and click the check marks where I do it. And arrange these dots the way you want by changing their size. If some spots do not lie as you want, correct them. If you have finished and will no longer change them, then we combine them from all CTRL-J. Stage 6. Creating mushroom eyes. Creating a cube and click CTRL-3. In object mode, turn on Shade Smooth. And repeat all the actions as with the dots on his hat. press Shift D and adjust the second eye. To make pupils, I select both eyes separately and duplicate them. Then I just click S and correct. Stage 7. Setting up the camera. You can just repeat my settings. Stage 8. Creating a mouth. Nothing new, create a cube and press Ctrl 3 and shade smooth. We select the two right points, not forgetting the X-ray. Click Ctrl R and subdivide. We highlight the corners of the mouth and pull them out for a smile. Our mushroom is ready. Stage 9. Decorate the mushroom. Choose the color of his hat and turn on roughness. Choosing the color of his body. Then select his legs and arms and press Ctrl-J to combine the color on all the limbs of his body. I decided to change its color. Stage 10. Creating a background. We create a plane and stretch it as we need. Turn on texture paint. Creating a texture. And we paint our background the way we want. On the panel with the texture, you take an image texture. Looking for our texture and include. In D, we will draw a path. Stage 11. Creating bushes. To create a bush, you need to enable the add-on sapling tree gen. After we turn it on, click Shift up, curve, and click sapling tree gen. The bush can be changed. turning on the display of leaves, turning on show leaves. You can also change the leaves as you want. We move the bushes and arrange them on our stage so that they look good in the frame. We decorate our bushes. We create additional light because it seemed to me that his other side lacked light. Copy this point of light and add it near his hat. We can also create stones for these bushes. Create a cube and press Ctrl or L3. Right-click and turn on Shade Smooth. We select the lower face and raise. And we place the stones under the bushes. We combine branches and leaves to make it easier to move the bush. I hid this bush to make it easier to place stones under it. We can already leave our mushroom like this, but if you want to make the final scene with a lantern, then we continue. Stage 12, Lantern. Click Shift Up, create a cylinder. We select the cylinder and the light, and click on the % on the numpad button to switch to the individual mode. Adding Shade Smooth. Switch to editing mode and select the upper points. Do not forget about the X-ray. Creating a shape for our lantern. Select the bottom points and click E. Double-click to select these joints and click Ctrl B. Using the mouse wheel, we increase the number of faces. We highlight these faces through every tube. Click Alt-E and select Extrude Faces along normals. And we push these faces inside. And our lantern is ready. We select these faces that we pushed inside and click B and select selection. Thus, we have separated these parts from the main lantern and we will make light out of them. In the panel with the texture, select emission, setting up its light. Let's create a holder for a flashlight. Creating a Bezier curve. In the curve settings, open the Geometry tab and increase the depth. Right-click and convert our curve to a mesh. Now let's make sure that our mushroom man holds this lantern. Click on its handles and go into editing mode, where we select them from the legs and separate them with P. We separate one hand from the second. And we turn and move it the way we need. I hid his hat with H so that it wouldn't interfere with adjusting his hand. Having selected the last facet of his hand, I pull it out so that it looks more natural. I decided that he didn't need a right hand and made it out of the left for greater simplicity. I gave him back his hat. Hide his mouth by clicking the H key. Now let's make him a surprise face, creating a circle. Turn it 90 degrees, reduce and put it in the place of the mouth. Switch to edit mode and click E by Y. press E again, but already reduce S. Double-click, select, and press Ctrl or LB for more smoothness. We switch to object mode and adjust his mouth to its place. Creating a dark atmosphere. Adding the light from the flashlight. If you want, you can create fireflies. To do this, create a sphere. We reduce it. And copy Shift D it as many as we need fireflies. If you have placed all the fireflies as you need and are not going to change them anymore, then select them all and combine them by clicking Ctrl+J. We add a glowing texture for them. To do this, go to the texture panel and select emission. Setting up the scene. I'm drawing a new path because I didn't like past. That's much better. That's it, our super mega ultra cute cool mushroom is ready. Thanks for watching. Share your opinion in the comments.